how do you not over engineer it for scalability and yet produce what your customers want?
So scalability is a really interesting term, and we hear it kind of used a lot. And for me, I have my own definition that I like to talk with my founders and companies that I'm advising. So I see scaling happening in three ways, and so typically that looks like adding more users to the platform, right? We're just adding more customers, and that's a fairly common, easy to solve problem, honestly, as far as technology goes. The other way, though, that we scale is our ability to add new features to the platform. So how easy is it for us to, if we think about software like a house, and we want to add an addition to our house, how easy is it for us to knock down a wall and add an addition? Or how easy is it for us to change the color in a room or the tile on the floor, if we kind of think about it in those terms? And then the third way that I think about scale is our ability to add more developers or engineers to the platform. And so in those ways, either adding additional features or adding developers, that comes down to how do we structure, how do we architect the platform so that we can continue to grow in those ways. Honestly, adding more users is a pretty easy problem to solve. The others become a bit more complicated. And so I think those are areas that we definitely want to focus on. Software and building software as a team is complex enough. So I always encourage folks to start as simple as possible.